Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good. So have you learned about the previous topic? I hope you have learned about the basic fundamentals of Scratch. So today we are going to start a new topic which is step. So what is a step? A step is a well defined and doable part of problem solving. So how we solve a problem? We solve a problem by thinking it step by step. So in coding also we do our coding step by step. For example, if we need to draw a tree, what steps should we take? First we'll draw a circle, then we will draw a stem, and then we will fill it with the green color. In the last class, we have learnt about coat panel, costume panel, sound panel. So these are the block motions, look, sound, event, control are the blocks with the help of which we are able to do coding. This is our script panel in which we are write our code. This is our stage, and in this we are able to draw something or move our character, which is called as sprite. From here we can add a sprite. From here we can add a background. So first of all, today I will tell you how to make a square in Scratch. So when we have learnt about chapter logo, in that we have learnt that we are using a command pen down to draw something. So in this also we are using the same command pen down, because pen down is used to draw something. So when I will drag this in the script panel, it is added. Now to move something, we will use a command move 10 steps. So for moving, here is a command move 10 steps. So I will make it 100, because 10 steps is very less, so I will make it 100. Now to turn, I will use turn 15 degrees. In the logo we are using RT90, LT90. Now in this I will use turn 90 degrees, because square angles are on 90 degrees. Now I will use again move 100 steps. Now I will make it to 100. Now again I will use turn 90 degrees. So I will make 15 to 90 degrees, and I will use this same set of commands 4 times, because a square has 4 sides. As we all know that a square has 4 sides, so I will use the same set of command 4 times. Now I have used 3 times, one more time. Now I will use move 100, again turn 90 degrees. Now for this my command is completed. In Scratch we use events blocks to run our command. So when this is clicked, flag is used to run the program, and red is this stop button is used to stop the command. Now I put it this blocks when flag is clicked. When I will click on the flag, this whole command will run down. So I'm clicking on the flag. See, the square is drawn here. So in this way I can move my sprite and draw square. Sprite is using as a pen now. Now I will tell about you about the sprite movement. The moving of the sprite is known as sprite movement. A sprite always move in forward direction. So before moving, you need to turn the sprite in the direction you wish. Like in logo, we are moving our turtle in right direction or left direction. In the same way, in this we are moving our sprite to different directions. So turning the sprite is done in 3 ways. First one is clockwise direction, and second one is anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, I will turn my sprite according to the clock. As the clock runs, so I will move my sprite in the clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction, I can move my sprite in the anti-clockwise direction, opposite to the direction of the clock. And third is point the sprite up, down, left or right. This is the different command. Now I will erase all which I have drawn on the screen with the help of erase all. Now I will show you how to run the sprite. This arrow is for clockwise direction. So when I click on this, see my sprite is moving. It is moving in the clockwise direction, the same way the clock runs. Now I will use another command which is in motion block, turn anti-clockwise 15 degree. So I will turn my sprite now anti-clockwise 15 degree. It is opposite to the direction of the clocks. That's why it is all called as anti-clockwise 15 degrees. Now the topic is turning the sprite by degree. So what is degree? A complete circle is known as a 360 degree. So if a sprite is straight up and you need to turn it by 90 degrees clockwise, then it will look as shown in the stage. Now I will make it to the 90. Now it is 90. When I click on this, it will turn 90 degree. If my sprite is straight up, I am making it straight up. Now I can turn it anti-clockwise 90 degree. So I will make it 90 and I can make it turn 90 degrees. See, now it is turned 90 degrees. Now there is another code in which I can change the direction of the sprite, which is point in direction. Now I have added point in direction. It is according to the graph paper of maths. Now if I change it to 180 degree, I can change my sprite direction 180 degrees. First I will make it stand up straight up. Now I will use point in direction 180 degree. See, it is now 180 degree. In the graph also the 180 direction is the same direction. Now I will change it to another direction which is minus 90. So when I click on point in 90 direction, it is in downward direction. So in the graph minus 90 is below. Now I will change it to another direction which is 0 degree. So when I click it on, it will become like this. It is on the left hand side. So in graph 0 degree is on left hand side. So now I can draw many more figures with the help of Scratch. I can make a triangle also. Now to make a triangle, think of the logo. In logo we have use the command move 100 steps and then turn 120 degree, RT 120 or LT 120. Now in this also I will use the same command. Now first I will use pen down because pen is up. Now I will use move 100 steps or 10 steps. No, I will use move 100 steps. So 100 is here. Now I will use turn 120 degrees. 120. Now in triangle there are 3 sides. So I will use again this set of blocks 3 times. I will make it 100. Now I will use turn 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Again I will use the same set of command. Move 100 degrees and move 100 degrees and move turn 190 degree 120 degrees. This is gone wrong. I will make it correct. It is added on the wrong place. Now turn 120 degrees. Now when I click on it, it will draw a square. See, a square is drawn. In this way I can use make a circle also. So for circle, are you remember what we have written the code? So I will show you how to draw a circle. So first we need a pen block. I will use pen down. Now I will use move 10 step motion block. Move 10 steps. Now I need to turn it 10 degrees. And so I have to use this command 36 times. Remember, in the logo also we have used the same command 36 times. So I am not writing it 36 times. I will click on pen down 36 times. So see, now a circle will be drawn. I am clicking it 36 times. Now my circle is drawn. You can see on the stage also. I hope you have understood the chapter. Now please do revision with the help of your parents. Thank you.